Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making Italian omelette, also known as frittata. List of full ingredients in the description box below. To the eggs, add salt, pepper powder and red chili flakes. Mix it well. Whisk it till it is still light and fluffy. Heat oil in the pan. And once the oil is hot, I'll be adding scrap, that is salami, sausages and ham mix which you get in the cold storage. You add vegetables one by one. Next I'll be adding carrots as this will take more time to cook. After a few seconds I'll be adding onions. Saute this as well. Once this is done, we'll be adding capsicum, green capsicum I've taken over here. You can add red and yellow bell peppers as well. Next I'm adding tomatoes. Tomatoes is optional. You can skip that. Mix this well. Once this is done, we'll add in the beaten egg. Just wiggle the pan so that the egg seeps under the vegetables. We cook all this on low flame. Our egg is almost getting ready. Here you can add cheese, any cheese of your choice. Then take a plate, place it over the pan and flip it over, and we need to put the egg back into the frying pan. Switch off the flame as the egg would now cook on its own with the heat of the pan. I've added cheese now here again. This is optional. You can skip it. Place a plate and flip it over. A frittata Italian cheese omelette is now ready. You can cut it into pizza shaped triangles once it's a little bit cool. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to my channel.